Alrighty, Petters. This week, like all the other weeks of my videos, it's really exciting. I'm pumped. I'm happy. I am super stoked about the new parts that I just keep working for getting. So a little backstory of what we got going on in this video is I took a big trip to the old Great White North. New York. I went to New York. It's like maybe 40 minutes. I don't know. A fella I know pretty well. Supplies a lot of parts for me and hooks me up all the time on some good stuff. But anyways, so what we got going on is I traded parts off of the old 257 for dramatic pause. Boom. A fifth wheel plate. It's not just any fifth wheel plate. A sliding fifth wheel plate with this sweet, spongy, springy blue hose. I mean, it's awesome. The only thing that isn't awesome, but I'm just kidding. There's nothing not awesome about it. It's even, from here, inside to inside, is 34 inches. And my frame, outside to outside, is pretty much, give or take a couple extra ugga-duggas with the old impact gun. It is pretty much 34 inches. I picked tonight to pressure wash it because last night was way colder than this, but my fingertips are, my hands are red. My eyes are burning. But oh well. You gotta pay to BROCKWAY, you know what I mean? But anyways, that heater's not gonna shut off, so hopefully you can hear me. I don't know. But we got it all pressure washed up the best we can until my little giblets can take it anymore. I'd like to get it to work, so I'm pretty sure that this is latched onto the locked position. I don't know. Well, we're gonna find out. We're gonna mess around with it. Well, after a couple of minutes, we boom, working fifth wheel. I'm excited. I don't know about the sliding part. I might put some air to the hose and see what happens. But other than that, pressure washed. It's kind of rusty. It's kind of blown out right in there, but I'm not too worried about it. I'll get a thing and jam it in there once it's all bolted down. But I might mess with the air cylinder, but I don't know. This thing's supposed to. There you go. That's how you lock it. I had it down. And then you just drive away and it becomes unlocked, I believe. Something like that. Yeah, well, whatever, it works. So, I'm happy. Happy Thanksgiving, Petterers. Well, it's the night before Thanksgiving, but I am so pumped up. As you guys just watched, fifth wheel works. Tonight is the night to put the fifth wheel on the truck. Oh, I'm super excited. It's gonna be awesome. It is cold. It is dark. Well, it was like 40. It was like 40 degrees. So I'm hoping that the BROCKWAY starts, because I really need it to start in order to get the fifth wheel on. If it doesn't start, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But no matter what, the fifth wheel is going on. It is, it's like, I think maybe 25 degrees out for a V8 Cummins. That the amount of ether I gave was nothing. I'm friggin', this truck's the best. on this fine Thanksgiving Eve night, we have made a road tractor. Oh yeah! I don't know if I ever showed you guys this, but yeah. Dash lights, they actually work. Map lights, oh, they work. The old nighttime fun, am I right? Let's check this out. It's kind of tight, so it's not on all the way yet, but looks like a really stretched road tractor. Oh, I just gotta find something to fill in the gap. I don't know yet. Well, that's a wrap for this week. We got the 5th